Alright, so let me just open up. Let's say I go to print this image. You'll go to print. Print. Find your printer, click on it, go to preferences. Now, here is where you make the changes, or you can make it in your printer settings, but you can add it from here. You're going to set the paper to plain, quality to high, one second. Okay. Paper to plain, quality high, and that's on the mains tab. Only 2 settings you should change. Everything else stays the same unless you want to change the paper size. Sorry guys, it's freezing in my lab. Then here is where you're gonna wanna mirror your image. That way it comes out mirrored and you don't have to remember it, and turn off the high speed. As well as change it from automatic to custom. Then the advanced box will show up. When you click on it, you're going to see that it says color controls, and you're going to change that from Epson Vivid to Adobe RGB. I've tested Adobe RGB 1.8 and Adobe 2.2, and the 1.8 has been most consistent. Though some images will require a 2.8, so you might want to make 2 settings, one with 1.8, one with 2.8. You're going to hit OK. And then add, remove preset, name it. I have named mine's 8.5 by 11 RGB Sublimation, 13 by 9 RGB Sublimation 1.8, just so I can have it per my paper sizes. So if you're only using 8.5, then, you know, 8.5 by 11 RGB Sublimation, whatever you want to name it, whatever icon you want to choose, so that you remember that that's the setting. Once you've done that, I'm going to close because I've already got my setting. Once you've done that, you're going to hit save. It'll be there. You close this box, and then you're going to choose it, hit OK, and hit print. Now, every time you go to print, after you save that setting, you will go to print, go to preferences, and just choose the setting. You don't have to create it again once you've already created it and saved it. Unless you wanted to try the 2.8 or the 2.2 or change the paper size. I recommend, if you have the wide format, that you make it in all sizes. So that way you don't forget. And then you hit OK, and it'll print exactly like that.